Yatha drishti tatha shrishti, meaning, as is one's vision, so is one's experience. This timeless wisdom encapsulated within the verses of the Bhagavad Gita serves as the guiding light for the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India for the council year 2024-25. Assuming the office as 72nd President of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, CA Ranjit Kumar Agarwal anticipates his vision on the theme Drishti.
I am privileged that I am assuming the responsibility of an institution which is not an institute, but over the last 75 years, which has become an institution in itself and which has become the world's largest accounting body, and I am the 72nd President of this institute, which is the world's largest accounting.
Drishti, which symbolizes a transformative journey, pulsating with innovation across the 7 pillars D, R, I, S, H, T, I. Drishti. One of the major focus areas this year is digitalization. Taking a lead in this area, ICAI has formed a new committee this year, AI in ICAI, to harness the potential of artificial intelligence to empower the profession and strengthen the operations and infrastructure in order to optimize productivity and meet the demands of a digital-centric world. Fostering research and development for capacity building, ICAI will further strengthen its research studies in the areas of accounting, assurance, taxation, finance and business advisory services to provide conducive environment for research, development and innovation. Integrity, which forms the core of the institute. Recognizing this cornerstone of the profession, the Vice President of India, Shri Jagdeep Dhankar, lauded the unwavering dedication of chartered accountants to upholding the highest ethical standards.
Ethics is quintessential to your profession to ensure trust and integrity in financial reporting, auditing, taxation, and consulting services. Out of experience, I can say, chartered accountants in Bharat have the highest ethics quotient.
ICAI is extremely focused on adapting and upgrading the acumen and skills of the professionals in tune with the changing requirements in order to provide conducive environment for research, development and innovation. ICAI is planning to establish new Center of Excellence Pan-India. H in Drishti symbolizes hand-holding. As a trusted partner in nation building, ICAI provides guidance to MSMEs and startups, educating the masses through financial and tax literacy drive, assisting 2.6 lakh panchayats and municipal bodies towards strengthening accountability mechanism for good governance by providing certificate course jointly with the Office of CNAG to skill and train accountants at grassroots level. T signifies transparency, reflecting ICAI's commitment towards fostering trust and accountability while enhancing the quality of assurance services offered by its members. ICAI's pioneering initiative of UDIN for verification have instilled trust and transparency in the financial and auditing realms.
ICAI ने यूडीन यानी यूनिक डॉक्यूमेंट आइडेंटिफिकेशन नंबर की शुरुआत की है। आपके व्यवसाय में प्रामाणिकता की बहुत आवश्यकता है। मुझे खुशी है कि आपकी यूडीन के जरिए ये सार्थक प्रयास शुरू किया गया है।
Independence I guides unbiased actions in the financial landscape. ICAI, the largest accountancy body founded on the bedrock of ethics, integrity and independence, propelling India towards becoming an economic powerhouse of the world by 2047. With Drishti, ICAI envisions a golden period for the profession, shaping the future with innovation, integrity and excellence.